Hey, this is Michael Granados from Viral Home-Based Pursuits, and in this video, I'm going to be going over how you can build a $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business. Quite in fact, so I'm going to show you how to do this in 5 boring steps instantly, and even as little as 90 days instantly, okay? Now, you're going to want to listen to this to the very end of the video because I'm going to be revealing to you a secret hack, a way that can fast track your results. This is also a disclaimer to say that if you don't put in the time, if you're somebody who doesn't want to put any kind of effort behind affiliate marketing, and you're not willing to do any kind of the work, and you just want to get something handed to you, this is not right for you. I don't promote those kind of things. Those are scammy. Those are very unreal. Okay, I want to give you realistic expectations, and that's why I've said even in as little as 90 or so days, because if you're that type of person, it's geared towards that, and it's also geared towards you as a beginner, as an expert. If you don't have any kind of experience in this whatsoever, no technical experience, no know-how of anything, you've never made a sale before, never promoted anything whatsoever, you don't have to worry about any of that, okay? This is gonna really be helpful for you. So I'm gonna be jumping into a share screen in just a second and showing you this. Quite in fact, so I already have a guide that I made, a blueprint guide that I have for you that you can get in the description. So make sure once you're done watching this, you go into the description below and you grab that, okay? So let's not waste any more time. I'm gonna show you kind of the table of contents that I put together in this guide just to show you that. And also in this free guide, I also show you earnings reports and stuff like that. I mean, you also receive more information as you go through it. But let me go ahead and get on the share screen really quickly. So I have this here, the 5 boring steps to building a $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business instantly, in parentheses, in as little as 90 days. And that's also a subjective thing. Don't expect that you're going to get results in the first day, that you're going to make that sale right away. It's not going to always happen that way. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying that even if you're a beginner, it's like you still have to take the time. And I have a section in there where I talk about, how realistically can you get it in 90 days? If you're a hustler, if you're somebody who can work, and it's put behind the right vehicle in place, then you can do it. Even if you're a beginner or have no prior experience, no product, no list, no following, and no tech skills. So I've been in this game for a while. Excuse me. I started a health and wellness business, if you haven't followed me, in the lower back pain space. So I focused there for a long time doing things with affiliates on Amazon, with ShareASale, JVZoo stuff, ClickBank, Impact, a whole bunch of different networks, okay? So I focused a lot of time on that, and I still do. I built that one up. I built a blog in that, okay? So I built a blog website. I also have another channel for that, a YouTube channel that I use for that, that I was very active on. Still am, but I wouldn't say it's as much. And it still does very well for me. I get a lot of interactions and I help people out there. But since then, I've been able to move on to other projects, as in affiliate marketing for some time, and seeing how the make money online niche works, the finance in those areas as well. Seeing what's out there that's working. Can I use the health and wellness site to help me out with this? And in ways that it can, okay? There are different ways to earn. So, you have CPA networks out there. You have, cost per leads, right? You can get somebody to sign up as a cost per lead, as opposed to buying a product or a service. High ticket, low ticket affiliate marketing products and services, digital information products, software, and so forth. So I've been there, done that. So I'm going to kind of just go over, sorry, my nose is kind of itching. I don't know why. But for chapter 1, what you're going to be understanding, and this is something that you have to understand in anything. That's why I've put the guidelines like this, is choosing a profitable niche out of the 3 core markets. Now, that's not to say you have to stick to the 3. It also depends on what you're doing. Are you an Amazon associate? Are you doing CPA affiliate marketing? But still, even in CPA stuff, it still comes down to that. But really, you have to understand that there are 3 core markets. They are the health and wellness, right? Or it's just health and fitness, health niche. You have the dating and relationships, and then you have the financial, make money online internet marketing space, okay? So those are the three big core markets. Now, I've seen other people make it in different ones, like the outdoor niche, technology, some very unique ones that are very niche down, especially for Amazon associates and stuff like that can be helpful in a way. Number two, chapter two, is selecting an affiliate product that pays high. Okay, so I've done low ticket affiliate marketing for some time, and that's a good place to begin as a beginner. That's where I started, and I still make good commissions from that. You just got to understand how that works, and you either have to have a lot of volume coming to a site, to your YouTube channel, wherever you're bringing that traffic to, in order to start converting more. But it more so has to be targeted traffic. More volume or less volume targeted traffic, repeat buyers, right? Or recurring commissions. You got to think about those things too. So I like to go with selecting an affiliate product that pays high, because in this guide, I'll talk to you more about it, but would you rather have for example, would you rather have sell a $100 product that makes you 50% commissions than selling, let's say, a $10 product that only makes you 1% commission, or a $20 product that makes you 5% commissions? Think about that, the math, how that builds, how you only have to sell less to make more, right? And you put the same amount of effort behind it, so why not do it? It's just that the tactics and strategies are different, which you'll learn also inside of this. Commissions or monthly recurring commissions, as I said there. Chapter 3, and this is step number 3, basically here, it's a lead magnet. You've got to lead into it with something that you're going to give away for free, that's of high value, that's sexy, something that you would normally charge for, and in return you get the email address. So then that way you're dripping out emails, right? You want to be able to automate this, right? And so once you get that email, you send them into a sequence. Now you're just sending them what's called a soap opera sequence for about 4 to 7 days or so, building that relationship rapport, and then you might be able to sell them on a low ticket product within that last day. They purchase, maybe they go up through a sales funnel, which we'll learn about, okay, which we'll learn, you know, if this is all brand new to you. But then you get back-end sales, right? You're going to get more back-end sales, and that's where you want to eventually lead to, is the back-end, right? You get them something for free, and then you get on a low-ticket product that you sell, and then it maybe takes them into the back-end. Now there's higher-ticket products, or there's other ways of just getting the high-ticket products sell right away through like Messenger, Facebook Messenger. You can even do Instagram and stuff like that. Get on a Zoom call, okay? Those are ways to do it, okay? And so a lead magnet, giving away something for free of high value in your market, is very, very important nowadays. You cannot, okay? You should start building your list right now. From the very first day, something that I recommend is you start building a list, okay? Chapter number 4, step number 4, how to build your $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business only with a 2-page money-making funnel. Or I can say a website, right? It's either way, either or. There's these landing page creators that you can use out there. You can even use your website in conjunction with it, with plugins or with a third-party software service. I'll talk to you more about how these funnels work and why you should be using them. Why isn't it just opt into a simple thank you page? That's fine. That's traditional. But what if you did an opt into a bridge page where you're talking to them about, hey, thank you for opting in. Now here is an offer that I have for you with how do you design that page? How does that look like? You have the offer, the messaging, the video, whatever that may be, and then you send them over to the merchant if you don't own the product, or if you do, how do you do that? And how you can scale that and how you can move forward. Chapter 5, step number 5, my proven strategy to promote any affiliate product in any niche, so you'll never have to worry about the traffic again, okay? So you have to focus on a platform. I'll say that right now. It's most important. The reason why most people are failing as an affiliate, one of the many, and if you want to know more about those things, I talk about them in other videos, but this is just kind of the one in between too, is you don't pick a platform to focus on. You need to just focus on one platform at a time. You're going to want to be, yes, omnipresent in different platforms, but master one, okay? I always recommend having like that. You'll hear about it more in there. You're going to have to like look at it, and I have stuff that also takes you to like my articles and videos that you can watch. It's nothing that I'm going to charge you for. It's just extra things you need to know about, stuff that you're not hearing from other places. And that's not very, I'll talk to you about the product that I choose and how there's other ones you can choose from as well, but how to focus on that one, okay? And how do I make it work, right? That's very important. And so going to the last thing, how to really like fast track this 90 days, right? This is kind of more for like, you can still get that, be above that part done in like 90 days if you really focus on it and you really got behind it and you started getting the skills and you started learning it and you started soaking it up and you had the formula systems too. And another way, when I get to this part, that your 90-day fast affiliate fast track, that's really, you know, where you can get that done in 90 days, realistically speaking. And there are slower ways and then there are faster ways, but always expect it to be slow. Don't be somebody who's going to be like, I need it today. I need the $5,000 sale. No. Take the time. You got to still test, hypothesize, and figure out what is working, what is not, right? I'm somebody who likes science, right? I almost majored in chemistry in college, you know, going business, chemistry, math, and stuff like that. But think about it that way and see how, oh, once you get to that section, you're like, oh, okay, this makes sense how it can get done in 90 days if I really focused on this and this. But just be realistic in your own mind and think about your own capabilities and where you can get to. All right. Don't focus on what everybody else is doing. Okay. That's not what if I would have focused on what everybody else was doing, what articles are they writing? What videos are they just posting? So I can just, you know, I know that's working, but you gotta also figure out for yourself what's best and what's gonna work. Okay, so that's in this guide. I go into it in depth. I actually like the very bottom part too, because I also talk about, I give you free resources on Facebook. My where I started it all was blog and SEO, so I'll show you that in conjunction with something like YouTube. But then I'll also go into like Facebook strategies and Instagram strategies. One of the Instagram strategies that I love, and you're gonna see that as well. Okay, so that's in here. Those are the 5 ways: choosing a profitable niche out of the 3 core markets, selecting an affiliate product that pays you high commissions or monthly recurring commissions. Chapter 3, step 3, having a lead magnet. Step 4, building your $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business with really a 2-page money making funnel, or you can call it a website as well. Step 5 is having a proven strategy to promote any affiliate offer product in any niche, so you don't have to worry about traffic. It's not a lack of traffic. I'll say this right now, that's hurting. It's not a lack of you having to create it. It's all out there. You just have to get in front of it. Okay. And then the number 1 secret, your 90-day fast affiliate fast track. Okay. So that's everything in this video. Let me go ahead and stop the share screen here so I can come back on here. Those are really the 5 steps to building your $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business. You know, you can do this instantly. And there'll be more, it goes into more specifically in there. It'll be down below again in the description, so you can grab that. And I also have other like articles and videos on how to do things with how to make your $100 a day with affiliate marketing, how to do this with $1,000, you know, and so forth. So that'll be down below in the description as well. But you can get this freebie right away. When you look down below, it should be like the first link you'll get access to, but look through that. If you have any questions too, leave me a comment here. And I'm also going to leave my social media channels like Facebook and Instagram if you want to reach out to me on those. If you feel more comfortable doing that, if you want to talk one-on-one, and I also have a group for this kind of stuff, feel free to reach out to me. I'm really here for your best interest at heart. People are doing well with this guide and the other information that I give them, all the other free training and resources that I give them. Okay, so that's everything from me. Thank you for watching this video and sticking with me to the very end. Hopefully you got a lot of value out of it. Again, questions, comments, concerns, anything that you'd like to know about. What are you struggling with, you know, too? What are you struggling with that I can help you out with, okay? Leave it down below in the comment section. Okay, thanks. Bye.